Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel. Today we have here another unboxing and this is an exciting one. I think I brought this knife that I really like. It's my kind of Christmas-like knife for stuff that I'm really excited with. Sorry, just messing here with the light. But I don't think I will need it. And I'm very excited because today there is a copper pen here. And here we have it. So, what we have here is a Gravitas pen, as you may see through because of this card. Let me just check something. Not sure. There is something about exposure. It seems too dark, but sorry about that. So, there is this card for Gravitas. We have the usual 5 Pelican cartridges for the pen. And let me just stop to see if I can work the light better. Okay, here I am again now. It's better. There was one setting that was not correct on the camera. Sorry about that. And so we have here the pen. Let's take it out. It comes in inside this very nice leather pouch. And here we have the pen. It is wrapped in this paper for Gravitas. And I'm really excited with this one because I will tell you why. First, it is a Gravitas pocket and it is made of copper. And it's not just that. It's made of copper and it is full of skulls. So this is a very, very nice design. They all come with this black section. In my opinion, it would be nicer if it had the matching section, also made of copper. But that's okay. That's how they decided to do them, with the section in a different material. And this pen looks great. It really does look great with these skulls engraved. So I'm very happy for having another skull pen. I have to say that I enjoy skulls in pens. I think it's a fun thing, really. It really smells like copper. Let me now just show it next to some other pens because you know I like to do this. So, this is the Gravitas pocket in copper with skulls. There was also this Gravitas pocket that I already had. This one has the logo there. I'm not sure if this one has the logo. Yes, it's here on the bottom. So this is the regular one in aluminium. This is made of copper. It's much, much heavier. And I have more pens to show you. So this is compared with the Sean Design Pocket 6. And this is, let's look at the design. This is the Gravitas, the stainless steel edition, the big one. And the skull, the design seems to be exactly the same. Very hard to show because the steel is not as shiny as the copper. Very interesting pen. Both are, in my opinion. Let me just zoom in a little bit, like this. So, the kind of design is the same as I was showing you. And I also have here my Enso XS Minimalist, or Minimalist XS. So, it is a slimmer pen. And I also have another pen with skulls, which is the very nice Montegrappa Fortuna crowned skull, which has some skulls and some nice kind of gothic design. And I also have my Chris Thompson replica of a Parker Centennial Dufold. So let me put them like these. They are all interesting pens, somehow related, and this is a Kaweco Brass Sport. So let's just shout to Kaweco, please make us a copper sport. It will be possible because there is a copper Gravitas. I think that is amazing. Just to let you know, the pen is all made of copper, the section is made of steel. It has this very fine texture there to be less slippery. It's a very heavy pen, very nice. So this is a number 6 Jowo nib. This big one also has this number 6 Jowo nib. The Montegrappa has a number 6 Montegrappa by Jowo nib. The Sean design has number 6 Jowo nib. It is more inserted inside the pen, so it looks shorter. The Chris Thompson replica of a Parker Dufold has a big Parker Dufold nib, which is kind of a number 6 nib. And the Kaweco Sport has a number 5 nib, I think made by Bock. At least that's what is expected. This, of course, has the same nib as the copper one. And finally, the Enzo has, sorry, let me just post this. I want to put it higher. This is the, why isn't the cap going on place? Sorry, just let me do this. So it goes over a rubber O-ring like this. Yes, it makes this popping noise when you unpost it. Okay, now it's okay. I think the O-ring was a little twisted. And there you have a number 5 Bock nib. So this is kind of an interesting, in my opinion, overview of pens with some similar design feature or material. It is very fun. Now this is another copper pen in my collection. I think I need to make soon another video where I show all my copper pens, because copper is one of my favorite materials for fountain pens, for sure. So this is all I had to show you today. I hope you enjoyed, and the review of that pen will come someday soon. I'm really amazed. I thank Ben Walsh from Gravitas for having this pen made for me, because I asked him if that would be an amazing version. So he made one. I think that then it will become into regular production, but he made one specially with this design. It's not, or it was not available recently in his website, but I think it will be available for everyone to get. So this is a very heavy pen. I like this one, but now I have a copper one with skulls. How cool is that? I don't think this one will have that much use anymore, because this one is just amazing. So this is all I had to show today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you will come back for more videos like this soon. So see you next time. Bye.